Hey, Wheezer. Today we're doing the 2-week weigh-in for the kittens. First off is Moo. Their eyes are open. They're looking good. Let's see how well they're doing. Into the weigh box. Whoa! 300 grams. Woo! What a... Alright, let's go get this. Next we have Muma. Oh, Muma. What a little doll. What do you think, Wheeze? Come on, Muma. Oh. What? Only 280 grams? Oh.
Get fuzzy cloth and put them in fuzzy cloth.
Okay. Next, we have LT. Oh, LT. Look at this little baby. Oh, looking good. Has those white lucky toes. LT. Lucky toes. And whoa, 295. Wheezer, let's take this baby back and get another. Let's go get Weasel. Okay, Wheeze, here comes Dweezil. Look at little Dweezil. Get your paw off the scale. Okay, this is little Dweezil. Look at the camera and smile. Say hi. Hi. Into the weighing box. You go. Oh, you're going to climb out? Another 295. Last but not least, this is little Kizzy. Kizzy. What a face. What a face. What do you think? Ooh. Kizzy, smile. Look at the camera. Say, nope. I'm not your trained monkey. Okay, into the weighing box. And another 295. They're all from the lightest to the heaviest. There's only a 20-gram difference. Not too shabby. Somebody's got to be the runt of the litter, and somebody's got to be the big one.